So today I will teach you how to snow bike. It's my second day of snow biking, so I learned quite fast. I did ski my whole life and snowboard, so maybe I'm a bit privileged in that sense. So today we will snow bike in this amazing weather, and I'll teach you some basics. So it is not very difficult to do in my opinion. So it is like skiing. You just hold your skis sideways, and this one you push and lean in. If you go to the right side, of course, this feet, the left feet, you can push out and use as extra brakes. And then obviously one thing you should know is that you always should make sure your skis stay flat on the snow. So you have to sometimes counter steer, because if you go up the mountain and your ski go back, or you go too sideways, you have to counter steer a bit. So it's a bit like skiing, or rather motorbiking or biking as we do in non-snow conditions. So let's see how we can do. It's a bit difficult to hold both, but we can do it. So we go left, we counter steer a bit, then we go right, we push a bit with our feet, we go left again, we counter steer. It's a bit snowy, so that's good. I do like that. So you go like this, counter steer a bit, and you see you pretty much can do a black slope so easy, just because the bike on itself gives a lot of power to stop, and then you have your 2 feet which also allow you to stop. And as you can see, I almost got backwards here, so I have to counter steer a lot. So here we go, turn, not too difficult, just use your feet as you would do normally. You don't have to push so hard. Try to keep your skis as flat as possible. As you can see, it's very relaxed. And as you can see, if you go a bit backwards, try to counter steer and always look to the bottom of the ski slope. Don't look up, people behind you will see you. And just go slowly, relax. It's amazing snow, so it's really nice to do. So that's it, you ski a bit, not too difficult, and that's how you learn to snow bike in a very short time. So today I will show you how to do powder snow biking, or really learn any snow biking you want to do. So first of all, you always point your ski downwards, so you can see you slowly go down, then you make a little turn, and it's as easy as this. And you can let yourself slide. Maybe look if you can go this side a bit, and keep your foot close to you, your feet rather, and then you can just brake with your left foot. If you go right, do a little turn. Obviously, hopefully the ski doesn't go down, and now it's a bit misty, so I don't see too much where I'm going, but it's very easy to do because you have your 2 legs to support you and to guide you. So let's go down. Hopefully we have enough speed, because it is a very deep snow here. It's really amazing though. Oh my god, I don't even see where the skis are going. So let's go this way at least. My god. This is a bit crazy. My god, I do like this though. It's like something I have never done before. Deep snow, and it's very nice. Even if it's deep enough, you will go a bit slow, so then you have to stand up, guide yourself a bit, go like this. But it does work, and hopefully here it gets a bit more steep. I think so, but now the snow is amazing. Look at this little place. It's pretty cozy, sitting on a bike, going down through the little deep snow. Because there's so much touch points with the ground, you can really like brake so easy, and it's so nice. The powder is so nice, the sun is coming out, fresh snow, and you always keep your skis straight to make sure you don't get stuck or get tilted. And there's not too many people who are snow biking, so this is pretty nice. Bye. Next time. Looks like we're alone in the park.
Yeah, I think everybody's gone home.
Yeah.
Perfect. More space for us. You ready? You got the rollers first? Let's go. Oh, there's a little bit, let's get it clearing up a little bit. Let's go.